So let's see. On the velo clutch right now, everything seems to be fine. Funny enough. So this one is of course a little bit tested. Let's see, you see there. But the measurement, the length is good. And now I was thinking, maybe the problem is not on here, but it's the one who push this one. The one is here inside. So I'm gonna open the gearbox, and check the measurement of the one who push this one, and let's see. Yeah, because maybe that one is wore down, and that's why everything is not disengaging all the way. So let's see. So there we goes, another day. Yesterday and the day before yesterday and the day before yesterday was really tough here in the garage, just because one, I'm still missing some parts, and two, it was so cold that I couldn't work. And today I got the gas again, so I have this one running again, but yesterday I didn't, and it's really difficult to work in a freezing workplace. So yesterday I did like I think half a day, and the day before kind of the same. So I'm not happy about this situation, but now I have this one again running, so let's get to it. The velo, I check everything still. I didn't see anything weird. Only with this one there is a little bit kind of damage. You can see it too. And yesterday I was trying to do this, but it wasn't possible because I couldn't feel my hands. Now I need to put a key inside here and lose this one, and then I can see the inside of it. And what I noticed too is that the whole thing has a lot of play, so I might make a bronze spacer, so keep everything in place. Yes. So let's get to it. Let's go. So there it goes. Let's see, this one, that's what I expected. As you can see, that's the pen in it. So can I fix it? Yes, no problem. So I'm gonna fix that, and I'm gonna search if I can find one of those here, and otherwise I would just need to order it in England, and then put everything back together. Okay, so right now I found here in the Netherlands not a pen, but I found a drill, hard metal drill, that I can modify to just do this. So I took that chance, because otherwise if I do it from England it's gonna take like at least 2 weeks or 1.5 weeks, and I'm tired of waiting. So yes, that's I think I'm gonna get it tomorrow or maybe the day after tomorrow. So let's see. Maybe this week I can put it all back together. We will see. In the meantime, I'm gonna weld here a point, so refill this hole and make it from chrome. So there we go. After welding, as you can see, okay, now I'm gonna refine it a little bit, but that's it. Voila. So there we goes. Let's see. Let's try to show it. This one adds a lot of corrosion. So you can see it here. You see, so it has been tested by the years of being, I guess, open or so. I don't know. But yeah, nice welded. The last week I made one. They pick it up today, and they brought this to me. Let's see. He brought me this little part. Let's try to open it. There we go. Okay. This one, he brought me this one. He made it himself. And the idea is that this is for the clutch. So tack, okay. So that was the reference. I welded. Of course, it must still be refined and so, but he's gonna make it himself. So that's one side, and this was the other thing that I had this engine. So voila, yeah. So you can see these black spots. The black spots, you see, is dirtiness or corrosion like this. Even though I clean it up, if you really want to have it like this, that it goes like this color, you really need to clean the aluminum like a lot. And but this is good enough for what it is. Actually, this is, I think, is a Vespa, yeah, a Vespa engine, and they did from a 2-portal engine, they're gonna make now a 3.1. So yeah. So there we go. That's it. Okay, so I got this Basel carburetors, okay, brand new for the Dominator. Nice, looks nice, eh? Let's see on camera. Oh yeah, closer by. Yeah, so yeah, let's change the main jet and yeah, just change that actually, and put it all back together, install it on the bike, and I guess try it. Yeah, so let's get at it.